Now we picked a niche, so we are inside the box. Let's say for example the niche is the Christmas. It's a huge niche with high competition, but it contains many sub-niches, the singing shark for example. With the help of Keyword Cloud tool, I picked some keywords here: Christmas funny, family group Christmas, Christmas sweater, Christmas gift, Christmas shark, and singing shark. We have 3 places to write our keywords: the title, the to keyword feature blanks. Note that you have to mention these keywords in sentences. For example, in the title and the brand name we can write, Christmas singing shark funny shirt. In the keyword feature we can put, this is a must-have Christmas sweater and a very good Christmas gift. The other blank we put, this family group wear shark shirts in Christmas. So now we done with our keywords, we make a reasonable price, then we submit our artwork. That's all. Peace.